Let's be honest, folks. Nutella is more than just a spread. It's a cultural icon, a breakfast staple, a midnight snacking champion. From early mornings to late nights, Nutella has found its way into our hearts and homes. This chocolate hazelnut concoction has captured hearts and taste buds worldwide. It's not just a treat, it's an experience, a moment of joy in every spoonful. But what is it about Nutella that sparks such universal adoration? Is it the nostalgia it brings, reminding us of simpler times? Is it the creamy texture that melts in your mouth? The rich, chocolatey aroma that fills the room as soon as you open the jar? Or perhaps it's the perfect balance of sweet and nutty flavors that dance on your taste buds, creating a symphony of taste. The answer, my friends, lies in the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into every jar. Each step in the process is carefully monitored to ensure the highest quality. Join me as we embark on a delectable journey, tracing the transformation of simple ingredients into the beloved spread we know as Nutella. From the factory floors to the fields where it all begins. We'll delve into the sourcing of premium hazelnuts, handpicked to ensure only the best make it into your jar. The art of roasting and grinding these hazelnuts to perfection, unlocking their full flavor potential. And the precise blending process that gives Nutella its signature flavor profile, a harmonious blend of ingredients that creates magic in every bite. Get ready to satisfy your curiosity, and perhaps your cravings, as we uncover the secrets behind this global phenomenon. From the first taste to the last, Nutella continues to bring smiles to faces around the world. Get your spoons ready because things are about to get delicious. Whether you're a lifelong fan or a curious newcomer, this journey will leave you craving more. Our journey begins in the sun-drenched orchards, where clusters of hazelnuts ripen to perfection. Nutella sources its hazelnuts primarily from Turkey, a country renowned for producing some of the finest hazelnuts in the world. These aren't your average backyard nuts, folks. These hazelnuts are carefully selected, ensuring only the highest quality nuts make it into your jar of Nutella. Once harvested, the hazelnuts are swiftly transported to Nutella's factories, where the real magic begins. But before they can be transformed into the creamy spread we know and love, these nuts need to undergo a few crucial processes. First, they're meticulously cleaned and sorted, removing any imperfections or debris. Then, the real fun begins: roasting. Roasting is where the hazelnuts truly come alive. It's a delicate dance of heat and time, coaxing out the nuts' natural oils and unlocking their full flavor potential. Nutella employs a unique roasting process, carefully controlling the temperature and duration to achieve the perfect balance of toasty and nutty notes. As the hazelnuts tumble in giant rotating ovens, their aromas fill the air, a tantalizing prelude to the deliciousness to come. The roasting process not only enhances flavor but also transforms the texture of the hazelnuts, making them irresistibly crunchy. Once perfectly roasted, the hazelnuts are ready for the next stage of their transformation: grinding. Now it's time to introduce another key player in the Nutella symphony: cocoa. Nutella uses only the finest cocoa beans, sourced from various regions known for their exceptional quality. These beans are roasted and ground into a rich, aromatic cocoa powder, ready to mingle with the roasted hazelnuts. The blending process is a carefully orchestrated dance, ensuring the perfect harmony of flavors. The precise proportions of cocoa and hazelnuts are combined, along with other secret ingredients, creating a symphony of aromas and tastes. This is where the magic truly happens, folks. The roasted hazelnut and rich cocoa come together in perfect harmony. Section 5. The Sweet Alchemy: Milk, Sugar, and the Making of a Creamy Dream. No creamy spread would be complete without a touch of sweetness and richness. These elements are what elevate a simple spread into a delightful experience, making each bite a moment of indulgence. That's where milk and sugar enter the equation, adding their unique contributions to Nutella's irresistible allure. These ingredients are not just additives, they are the heart and soul of what makes Nutella so special. Nutella uses skimmed milk powder, which lends a subtle milky flavor and contributes to the spread's smooth, velvety texture. This milk powder is carefully selected to ensure it blends perfectly with the other ingredients, creating a harmonious balance. Sugar, the quintessential sweetener, balances the richness of the cocoa and hazelnuts, creating a symphony of flavors that dances on your palate. The sugar used in Nutella is finely ground to ensure it dissolves seamlessly, adding to the spread's creamy consistency. The addition of milk and sugar marks a crucial turning point in Nutella's journey. It's at this stage that the mixture begins to take on its characteristic texture and flavor, setting the foundation for the final product. It's here that the mixture begins its transformation from a simple blend of ingredients into the creamy spread we all know and love. This process is a delicate balance of science and art, ensuring that each jar of Nutella delivers the same delightful experience every time. Section 6. The refining touch. Transforming the mixture into velvety perfection. With all the key players in place, it's time to refine the mixture, transforming it into the smooth, spreadable delight we know as Nutella. This is where the magic truly happens, turning raw ingredients into a beloved treat enjoyed by millions around the world. This involves a series of carefully calibrated processes designed to achieve the perfect texture and consistency. Each step is meticulously monitored to ensure that the final product meets the highest standards of quality and taste. The mixture of roasted hazelnuts, cocoa, milk powder, and sugar is ground to a fine paste, ensuring a velvety, smooth texture that glides effortlessly onto your morning toast. The grinding process is essential, breaking down the ingredients to create a uniform and creamy consistency. This refining process is crucial for achieving Nutella's signature spreadability, making it the perfect companion for bread, crackers, fruit, or even a spoon straight from the jar. The smoothness and spreadability are what set Nutella apart from other spreads, making it a favorite in households worldwide. But the journey isn't over yet. The mixture must be carefully handled to maintain its quality as it moves through the production line. One final step remains before Nutella is ready for its grand debut packaging. Each jar is filled with precision, ensuring that every spoonful delivers the same delightful experience. The packaging process is the final touch, sealing in the freshness and flavor that Nutella fans have come to love. Section 7. The packaging ritual from factory floor to breakfast table. The packaging process is more than just a formality. It's a carefully orchestrated ritual designed to preserve Nutella's freshness, flavor, and iconic appearance. The freshly made Nutella is poured into sterilized jars, each one a vessel ready to transport the beloved spread to breakfast tables around the world. The iconic Nutella jar, with its distinctive shape and label, is as recognizable as the spread itself. It's a symbol of indulgence, comfort, and pure chocolate hazelnut bliss. Once sealed, the jars are labeled, boxed, and prepared for shipping, ready to embark on their journey to supermarkets, pantries, and ultimately, your eager hands. Section 8. The science behind the spread. Understanding Nutella's texture and taste. What is it about Nutella's texture that's so irresistible? The answer lies in the science behind the spread. The combination of finely ground hazelnuts, cocoa, milk powder, and sugar creates a unique matrix that gives Nutella its signature smooth, spreadable consistency. The roasting process plays a crucial role in achieving this texture. As the hazelnuts roast, their cell walls break down, releasing oils that contribute to Nutella's creamy texture. This, combined with the fine grinding process, ensures that every bite is a symphony of textures, smooth, yet with a hint of nuttiness. Section 9. A legacy of flavor. Nutella's enduring appeal and global impact. From its humble beginnings in post-war Italy, Nutella has become a global phenomenon, a testament to the power of simple ingredients transformed into something extraordinary. Its unique blend of flavors, creamy texture, and versatility have captured the hearts and taste buds of millions worldwide, transcending cultural boundaries and generations. Nutella's enduring appeal lies not only in its deliciousness but also in its ability to evoke a sense of comfort, nostalgia, and pure indulgence. It's a reminder of childhood breakfasts, stolen spoonfuls from the jar, and the simple pleasures in life. Section 10. Beyond the jar. Creative ways to enjoy Nutella. While spreading Nutella on toast is a classic for a reason, don't be afraid to get creative with this versatile spread. Nutella can elevate everything from pancakes and waffles to cakes, cookies, and even savory dishes. Swirl it into yogurt or oatmeal for a morning protein boost. Use it as a dip for fresh fruit, pretzels, or even potato chips for a sweet and salty treat. Spread it between layers of puff pastry for a decadent Nutella-filled dessert. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. Section 11. Nutella, a testament to culinary ingenuity. So there you have it, folks. The journey from humble hazelnut to beloved spread is a testament to culinary ingenuity, precision, and a passion for creating something truly special. Nutella's enduring popularity is a testament to the power of flavor, the allure of a creamy texture, and the universal love for a little bit of sweetness in our lives. So next time you open a jar of Nutella, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. Every spoonful is a symphony of flavors, a testament to the art of transforming simple ingredients into something extraordinary. And remember folks, life is short. Eat dessert first.